Welcome back friends. Today I am with DIY for Diwali celebration and materials required are 5 colored sheets and each color with 3 sheets, totally 15 colored sheets. This is the template which is most important for the DIY, and don't worry about it. I have given the link in the description box and take a printout of it. If not, I have also given measurements. You can also try with that. It's up to you. Take a paper and fold as I do. Now cut the sheet to get 2 sheets out of it. Cutting is over, and now take 3 sheets from each color and totally 15 sheets. Here I don't use printouts, it's up to you. I am taking a white sheet and getting a trace out of the template. You can use scissors or blades or cutters for cutting the sheets. Here I am using scissors and cutter. Be careful while using the scissor and cutter. Cutting is over. My template sheets are ready, and now just arrange them as I do. Follow the procedure as I am doing. Handle the sheets gently. Follow the procedure as I am doing. your Diwali DIY is ready. Fix a bulb inside it and celebrate the festival of light. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you in a way. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share to all your loved ones. Let them also create and enjoy it. For more videos, you can subscribe my channel, and thanks again.